Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gumbo roux with butter. We'll start by melting the butter in a heavy-bottomed pot or skillet over medium heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in an equal amount of all-purpose flour. This creates a smooth paste, which is the foundation of your roux. Keep stirring constantly to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. This initial step is crucial for developing the deep flavor of your gumbo. Now, let's talk about cooking the roux to perfection. Continue stirring the butter and flour mixture over medium-low heat. This slow and steady approach is key to preventing the roux from burning, which can happen quickly. You'll notice the color gradually changing from a pale yellow to a light tan, then to a peanut butter shade, and finally to a rich chocolate brown. The darker the roux, the deeper the flavor it will impart to your gumbo. Once your roux has reached the desired color, whether it's a peanut butter shade or a dark chocolate brown, immediately remove it from the heat. This stops the cooking process and prevents burning. Now, quickly add your diced onions, celery, and bell peppers, often called the holy trinity of Cajun cooking. Stir them into the hot roux. The residual heat will begin to soften these vegetables, infusing their flavors into the roux and preparing it for your gumbo. With your aromatics incorporated, it's time to add your liquid. Gradually whisk in warm chicken or vegetable stock, or even water, a little at a time. This prevents lumps and ensures a smooth, cohesive base for your gumbo. Continue to simmer the mixture, stirring occasionally until it thickens to your desired consistency. This rich, flavorful base is now ready for your meats, seafood, and seasonings. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.